This is the SiLiFlow dashboard. Here, you can see all the important information about your business in one place. This helps you quickly understand how your business is performing without any confusion. You can view today's total orders, pending deliveries, monthly revenue, and active plans. Everything is clearly organized and easy to understand on this dashboard. In the client section, you can see the list of all your clients. You can also view their complete details, which helps you manage your customers more efficiently. By clicking on the New Client button, you can easily add a new client. The process is simple and takes only a few seconds. To create a new client, you just need to enter basic details like name, mobile number, and address. You can also create an order for that client directly from here, saving you time. After clicking the Done button, your client is successfully created and ready to use. In the measurement section, you can view the measurements of all clients in one place. You can update or edit them anytime, which ensures accuracy in your work. In the order section, you can see all your orders in a structured way. You can also track pending orders easily, so nothing gets missed. By clicking on the New Order button, you can quickly create a new order. You can search for a client, select them, and enter quantity and rate to complete the process. Once the order is created, you will see a confirmation message. You can also print the bill instantly, making your workflow faster and more professional. In the pending order section, you can view all ongoing orders. When an order is ready, simply click on the Mark Ready button to mark it as complete. In the Karagir section, you can manage all your Karagirs in one place. You can see which orders are assigned and which are unassigned. By clicking on the Add Karagir button, you can quickly add a new Karagir and start assigning work. Next is the Payment section. Here you can track all payment details clearly. You can see total due amount, pending amount, and manage payments easily. This helps you maintain better financial control over your business. Next is the Ledger section, which works like your digital account book. Here, you can see all transactions related to clients and Karagirs. You can search for any client and instantly view their transaction history. You can also check Karagir transactions to keep everything transparent. Next is the Report section. Here, you can analyze your business performance with detailed reports and analytics. You can view daily, weekly, and monthly reports to make better business decisions. SiLiFlow is also available in multiple languages. With just one click, you can switch to your preferred language. Now let's go through the settings section in SiLiFlow step by step. First, we have the general setting. Here, you can clearly see your role and the permissions assigned to you. Next is personal preference. In this section, you can choose your preferred language, such as English, Hindi, or Marathi. Now let's look at the theme option. Here you will find a label with a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you can select either a light or dark theme. By default, the theme follows your system settings automatically. Within settings, you will also find the app option. From here, you can download the mobile app for your device. Next is the shop setting. In this section, you can enter and update your shop's profile details as needed. Then we have the staff section. Here, you can easily manage your staff. You can add new staff members or remove existing ones. After that comes the invoice setting. In this section, you can edit and customize your invoices based on your requirements. Now let's move to the measurement setting. Here, you can customize your measurement types and fields. First, you can select the default unit, such as inches or centimeters. You can also add new items like pants or shirts. The sequence of items can be adjusted by simply dragging them, making it easy to organize. You can also enable or disable items based on your needs. Next is the WhatsApp setting. Here, you can see the total number of WhatsApp messages or invoices sent so far. This helps you keep track of your usage. Finally, we have the promo setting. In this section, you can create a website for your shop. By entering the required details, a professional website is generated, which you can share with your customers online. This is how you can fully customize and manage the settings section in SiLiFlow.